Frigidaire Gallery upright freezer has a CE alarm, sometimes has a D alarm. Have replaced circuit board, same result. What is that board communicating with and can it be repaired? What is the next step from here?
Hello, my name is XXXXX you for choosing our service. I think you have already figured out CE as a communication error. Display board in the front is not communicating correctly with the board at the rear to the left of the compressor. Look under the freezer, have it unplugged. There is a connector there underneath. Separate that connector and clean it very well. That may be where the problem is. If not, the board you did not change is going to be the one it needs. If you have questions about my answer, please click the reply to link. I will be happy to explain anything that is not clear. Please do not forget to leave a rating. If you have a problem leaving a rating, please let me know. Thanks, Barry.
Is the lower circuit board accessed from the front, lower, or rear? Does something have to be removed to gain access if from rear?
It's at the rear to the left of the compressor in a container mounted to the bottom of the floor and is part number NNNNN. I have arrowed it for you in the diagram below. You might check the connectors there as well and see if maybe one is dirty. Thanks, Barry. Click to enlarge Barry G.41608.6942304051.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.